Hey everyone, welcome to the design pattern tutorial. Today we're going to discuss about adapter design pattern. This is a structural design pattern which allows two incompatible interfaces to work together and works like a bridge between them. This is very useful when you are integrating something new code into the existing code base and they do not match the same interface. You don't need to change the old code base, and also you don't need to change your own code. You just have to create a adapter class, and that will translate those interfaces and make the existing thing absolutely compatible. This is very exciting, and in most of the cases we use it in two cases. One is the third party. When we are using, we cannot change their code, so it's better if we use our own translator for them, maybe the adapter class. And also we want our new code and the previous old code to work in a similar manner. So these two cases are most important when we are implementing the adapter class. So let's just see in the code. At first, it's important that you understand the problem. See the code. Here we have three classes. One is the old bank payment class, which has a method which is called bank pay. We are calling this as a legacy method. And also there are some new payment we are going to introduce into our system, which is Stripe payment, and another one is the PayPal payment. Now let me jump into the solution. For doing the solution, we have to create an interface which is called payment. We are going to use this interface for our new components, which is Stripe payment and which is PayPal payment. These two new components are going to use that interface. And as the legacy one, old bank payment, we don't have control on that code. So that code is not implementing this payment interface. Our requirement is to use all these three classes, Stripe payment, PayPal payment, and the old bank pay system in a similar manner. And also we don't want to change anything inside the old banking payment system. Here comes the adapter class. It primarily implements the payment interface, and inside that we have declared all the instances as private variables, and we're passing them inside that constructor and setting them up. And also there is a pay method we are implementing from that interface. In this pay method, if the preferred method is Stripe, then we are calling the Stripe payment method. If the preferred method is PayPal, we are calling PayPal, and otherwise we're going to the old bank payment system. Now the thing is, old bank doesn't contain the pay, right? So we are changing this to the appropriate method what the bank was previously using. It seems everything is all right. Now we'll be able to use them as a client. Now we're writing the client. Here is the adapter, new payment adapter. We're sending all the instances of payment process. Now this is the way we can use we're just paying. Here we're giving the amount and also the system. So old pay. So this is the old pay. So we also have to give a condition here, the old pay. And if the bank old payment, then we are just sending it. So this is how very smartly we are just translating interface to interface. Also the incompatible interface mismatch problem is also solved. So this is how the adapter pattern actually works. Thank you very much for watching.